Hello student, today we will do question number C, D and E of question number 1 from exercise 3, 3A, Concise Mathematics class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. See, question number 1. The money required to buy 50 rupees 20 shares quoted at rupees 22. So market value, question number C, market value of one share is equal to rupees 22. So market value of 50 shares is equal to 50 into 22 is equal to rupees 1100. So option 1 will be right. Now see question number D. Question number D. 20 shares are available at a discount of 20%. The money required to buy 50 shares. Market value of one share is equal to 20 200 minus 20% discount, 20 by 100 into 200 means this 0 and this 0 will cut, is equal to 200 minus 40 is equal to rupees 160. This is price of one, market value of one share. So price of 50 shares is equal to 50 multiply 160 is equal to this is rupees 8,000. So option 2 will be right. Now see question number E. 500 rupees 50 shares at par earn a dividend of rupees this in 1 year. The rate of dividend. The rate of dividend we have to find. Total price of shares. Total price of 500 shares is equal to price of one share is 50, so 50 into 500 is equal to rupees 25,000, and earning is dividend is equal to rupees 1250. So dividend, the rate of dividend, therefore the rate of dividend is equal to 1250 divided by 2500 into 100. This, which is, and this. It is into 510 into. So this will be 30 and this will be then 5. So this is 5%. 5%. So this option will be right. 5%. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here, we will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.